welcome back to my channel. So I have a box here. It just delivered today. And guess what? This is Michael's
Lego.
Oh my goodness, you knew it, huh? Okay, let's open the box. Okay, can you open it? Here. Yes. Just take off the...
Wow.
Hang on.
Ooh, Lego.
What's that in the paper?
See? Wow, the Lego movie.
Dik talaga ito guys. Anak ko sa
Oh,
Lego.
Michael.
Yeah.
Wait.
What you got? What you got here?
The Lego movie too.
Yeah.
A movie.
See? Show what you got. What is it?
That's a bottle with...
Yeah. It's a tumbler, guys. See? This is like sale though. The original price is $9. So I got this only like $4.50. Yes. What next?
This.
Okay. Show what next. What you got there?
This one.
What is it? Show them.
StarWars.
Yeah, show.
Rise of Skywalker.
Next
It's chapter 5.
Yeah.
Chapter 9.
There's another Lego, guys.
What's all the stuff?
See? Someone is really happy today.
Oh, a big shit.
I ordered it from Lego store and it only like five days and then it's arrived today. 5 days delivery.
Wow, a big
It's a
shit.
fast shipping Lego store.
See, a big shit.
Yeah.
New one.
How much this one? I forgot how much the cost. I think this is like 100 something, guys. 100 I forgot how much I paid. $110. I forgot. Wow.
Wow, big Lego.
I know. So what's the name of this, Mike? Sith TIE Fighter. Star Wars. There you go.
What's sale?
Yeah. It's Sith TIE Fighter. 9 years old.
9 years old.
Plus, yes. 470 pieces. Wow. Do you like it, Mike? I don't know how many Lego sets she has already. So, adik-adik sa Lego ang iba. What do you say to Mama?
Please and thank you.
Please and thank you. Do you like it?
Yes.
Wow. So we're gonna open this later, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Did you say thank you to Mommy then?
Thank you, Mommy.
You hug? Kiss Mama. You're welcome.
Wow, a big Lego.
Yeah, show your Lego to everybody. Ta-da! Here you go. Someone is happy, so that's it, guys. Michael's first unboxing. Right?
Right.
Bye to everybody now.
Bye, everybody.
Thank you for watching.